Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bonus video for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make cheese blintzes. They're just like crepes, but a bit richer. They have a sweet cinnamon cottage cheese filling, then rolled up and sautéed. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. To make the batter, in a medium or large bowl, add in the milk, flour, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined and smooth. Then add in the eggs, whisk them in until they're combined. Then add in the melted butter and whisk it in until it's combined and the mixture is smooth. You can use a blender if you're having trouble getting it smooth. If possible, cover it in plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour or up to 24 hours before cooking it. This is to give the flour time to fully absorb the liquid, and it also helps develop the gluten, giving the blintzes better texture and structure. Meanwhile, you can make the filling. In a medium bowl, add in the cottage cheese, sour cream or yogurt, sugar, you can use more or less to taste, cinnamon, and salt, and mix them until they're well combined. Remove the batter from the fridge. Then cook them the same way as you would make crepes, except only cook them until they're very lightly browned and not crisp, which only takes about 30 seconds to a minute on each side. You can check out my crepes video, and I showed 3 ways of how to cook them. Once they're all cooked, add 2 tablespoons of the filling, about 1/3 of the way up from the bottom. Fold up the bottom over the filling, then fold in each side, and roll it up the rest of the way. And do that for the rest of them. Then coat the pan or griddle in butter. Add some of the blintzes onto it and sauté them for a few minutes until they're nicely browned on the bottom. Then flip them over and do the same thing on the other side. Then once they're done, remove them from the pan or griddle and place them onto a cooling rack or plate. And cook the rest of them in the same way. You can have them plain just like this, or I'm dusting them with powdered sugar and adding some sliced strawberries. And that's how to make cheese blintzes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.